Do you know the rules of the road? It's important to understand them, as failing to do so can lead to serious consequences. Hi, I'm your driving instructor, and in this session, we'll be practicing a task that is both easy and interesting. It's essential for both experienced drivers and beginners, so pay attention. Today's task is focused on crossing an intersection safely and understanding how to approach it in different scenarios. The task might seem simple at first glance, but it's a great way to reinforce the importance of following traffic rules and being cautious on the road. Imagine this situation. 3 vehicles are approaching the intersection simultaneously. There's a truck, a red vehicle, and a white vehicle. The truck and the red vehicle want to go straight, while the white vehicle intends to turn left. Your task is to figure out in what order the vehicles should pass through the intersection. Now let's go over the options. White, truck, red, truck, red, white, truck, red, truck, white. Pause the video for a moment, take a second to think about it, and write your answer in the comments. Let's analyze the situation. In the image, we have 3 vehicles approaching a 4-way intersection. It's important to note that the intersection is controlled by traffic signs. There are stop signs and yield signs. A stop sign means that the driver must come to a complete stop before entering the intersection and yield the right-of-way to any vehicles or pedestrians that are already in or heading toward the intersection. You should only proceed when it's safe. Make sure to stop completely before the stop line if there is one. On the other hand, a yield sign doesn't require a complete stop. Instead, it means the driver should slow down as they approach the intersection, be prepared to stop if necessary, and yield to vehicles or pedestrians in or approaching the intersection. However, if no traffic is present, the driver may proceed without stopping completely. In this case, we see that 2 vehicles are facing stop signs and 1 vehicle is facing a yield sign. The truck and the red car are at the stop signs, while the white vehicle is at the yield sign. The main thing to remember when dealing with intersections controlled by stop signs is that if 2 vehicles approach the intersection at the same time, the vehicle on the right has the right-of-way. This means that the white vehicle, which is at the yield sign, is the last to pass through the intersection because it must yield to the others. So in this scenario, the order of passage would be, first, the red vehicle goes first because it is the one on the right of the truck. Second, the truck passes next. Finally, the white vehicle will be the last to go because it has a yield sign and must wait. So the correct order of vehicles is red, truck, white. If you guessed this correctly, congratulations. You now know how to handle this kind of intersection situation safely. Remember, following the right-of-way rules and understanding the signs around you will help you avoid accidents and ensure smoother driving. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can stay informed and avoid fines when you're driving. Drive safely, follow the traffic rules, and take care on the road.